Good morning, families and friends. I hope you had a good rest last night. You see, this morning I just wanted to introduce you to our new lesson. Last quarter we studied the book of Exodus. Now we'll be looking at this lesson, which is titled Lessons of Faith from Joshua. There you go. Beautiful lesson. And I pray that God will bless us as we share some of the lessons of the snippets that for messages for us to encourage us on our daily walk with Jesus. You see, my topic for this morning is titled, God's Work Never Stops. You see, I want you to imagine this. Your leader, your mentor, your guide, the one who's always heard from God for you is suddenly gone. And friends, that's exactly where Israel stood when Moses died. Fear, confusion, what now? They probably asked themselves. But here's the beauty of it. See, the book of Joshua begins with these words. After the death of Moses, the Lord said to Joshua, as I was with Moses, so I will be with you. And he says this, I will never leave you nor forsake you. See, do you see it? Do you see it? You see, the message is clear. God's mission, it doesn't end when people change. Leaders come and go, but God's presence remains. There are three takeaways that I'd like to share with you. And number one is this. God is the true leader. You see, friends, Moses was great, but God's power didn't come from Moses. It came from the Lord. And number two is this. God's word is constant. You see, Joshua is told, meditate on the book of the law day and night. See, leaders fade, but God's word never does. And number three is this. God's presence is the real promise. You see, the anchor wasn't Moses or Joshua. It was God saying, I will be with you wherever you go. So when life shifts, when a mentor moves away, a parent passes, or a season ends, remember, the same God who was with Moses, the same God who was with Joshua is with you. Be strong, be courageous, because God's work never stops and his presence never leaves. God bless.